Alright, so we are at the Cineplex Theatre in Langley, getting ready to leave on a convoy to Vancouver. It is January 29th, 2022, and we are doing this in solidarity with the Freedom Convoy that is right now in Ottawa. So the parking lot is loaded and there's lots of people here. It's a very exciting atmosphere. I thought I'd take you on a little walk through part of the parking lot here. Lots of vehicles, lots of honking, people preparing to leave. Alright, so the first trucks are leaving. It is 10 a.m. We waited around another hour before we left. There's lots of congestion, people trying to get out of the parking lot, but we were able to sneak out there fairly quickly and catch up to the convoy that had already left. Not all of it, of course. There's still many vehicles trying to leave, but yeah.
Should have got like 5 air horns.
I think I'm supposed to be in their lane.
Yeah, join the convoy lane.
So along for the ride we had a CB radio, and you'll hear some trucker chatter throughout the video.
This is nice.
Went into a restaurant the other day, person asked me my vaccine status. I looked at the wrist and I noticed you're wearing a medical alert bracelet. They said, yeah. So can you tell me give me a list of all the medications you're taking? No, that's none of your fucking business. I said, neither is my vaccine status to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna go west out of here and just follow the traffic.
Okay, sounds good.
The heads off on the freeway, it's pretty congested once you get on the 200.
Yeah, what's happening? West on 200.
Proud member of the small fringe minority with unacceptable views. Mandate freedom. Alright, here we have 176th Street. A nice crowd overhead. Thought I'd show you what it's like behind us. Lots of cars and trucks. We're vaxxed and we support. Nice to see these people on the side of the road. pedestrian overpass near 168th Street. Thank you, truckers. Here we have a larger crowd of supporters on 160th Street.
There's so many people! That's awesome!
Alright, and we are off to the Portman Bridge.
Oh, there's some people!
And wouldn't you like to go this fast?
Oh, really? Oh, there's a few, yeah.
Alright, so we are in the city of Burnaby, and this is Caribou Road. It's always nice to see people, even if it's just a few. Stop Vax passport! Freedom over fear! Here we have Douglas Road overpass. Beautiful turn. Alright, it is 12:40 and we are seeing trucks coming back already. Apparently they had turned around before completing the entire trip because it was so congested in Vancouver. Alright, we have an enthusiastic crowd here of supporters at Willingdon Avenue overpass. Alright, stop complying. Honk for freedom. 14 days to flatten the curve. Trudeau must go. Vaccine madness. Thank God for police. Alright, next we get to Grandview Highway, traveling west.
South, good to go. East-west connector, fast moving. Alex Fraser Bridge, that's
awesome. One guy giving the finger. Has a poster with the route. Just holding it. That's what that was? I was wondering.
I think the majority of the convoy is still on Grandview Highway. Talked to some people that are already back at 160th heading eastbound. Sounds that a lot of guys turned around and just started heading back east at Grandview.
Alright, our first turn, and we are going on to Nanaimo Street. Woo! Here this woman came walking down Nanaimo Street. Her signs say, honk if you love vaccines, get vaccinated. We are coming up here to East Broadway. On the left we have some supporters, and across the street from them are some counter-protesters.
Somebody stood up. They all joined. Yeah, exactly.
And their signs read, "Free masks, get vaxxed." No. Driving down East Broadway. And here is the construction ahead on East Broadway. It definitely slowed down our trip a bit.
It's crazy how everyone walks around with a mask. Until if he liked us or hated us.
He was the middle finger?
And here we have another rear view. The traffic lights definitely break things up a lot. Alright, here we are on Burrard Street, just about to enter Vancouver proper.
Nice.
And of course, the Burrard Street Bridge. The CB radio making some noise there. Alright, it is 3:40 p.m. and we are in Vancouver proper. We didn't bring any lunch along, so we were quite hungry. We had a few snacks though. We have some police on the left there. And here we see in Vancouver crowds of freedom-loving Canadians. Alright, we've turned right onto West Cordova Street and we are heading home. Okay, we are on Powell Street, and as you can see the traffic is moving faster, which is really nice.
No idea where I
Alright, it's been some 5 hours since we left Langley. So, you know, while it has been a long trip, it was really good.
You guys take me yet?
No, are you kidding? This is what today is about.
It is. It's about starving and having a headache.
Yeah. It's like partying all night. That's kind of how I feel.
Like, who thought it was going to be like, you know, 6 hours
on the way back, right?
Honks, honks.
Alright, we are back on Nanaimo Street. Just going about 50 kilometers an hour. Come on, focus, focus, come on.
I love these people. This is the first time in my life I've been proud to be a Canadian.
So comment below whether or not the Freedom Convoy 2022 made you proud to be Canadian. Alright, east on Highway 1, and that means we are Hopeward bound. Heading toward Hope. More congestion.
Guys, we can turn. Give her a lane. Protest lane.
So if you have the opportunity, definitely go out on a convoy, support the cause of freedom, and you can definitely pray for this movement as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share with all your friends and enemies.